Good morning, children. I'm Preeti Kumar. Today we are going to learn about file management and data organization. In this, we will learn how computer organize its file and folders and data. Okay? So, in this chapter, children, we are going to learn about moving or copying a file or folder from one drive to another, moving or copying a file or folder between storage devices, searching a file and folder. Today we will see how we can move and copy file and folder. As you see, I have opened this window, my PC. In this, you can see this left pane is having all the folders which we have on computer. If you click on any of this folder, you will see whatever the files or folders inside that folder that will appear in your right pane. This whole empty place which you see in the right side, it is a right pane. Suppose you click on your pictures. So in the pictures folder, you see all the pictures which are stored on computer. Same way, here you can see in the bottom, in the left hand side, local disk, new volume E, new volume F. These are the drives which I am having in my computer. So how we will move and copy files and folders from one drive to another, we will learn today. Before that, we will see what we understand by moving and copying. So moving a file or folder means shifting it from original location like source to another location, destination. In this, you see in this block, the A block where I have written source, this is my original location where I have stored my file. You can see this icon is of file and this icon is of folder. Where you see this yellow, you already come to know that it is a folder. So what is moving? Once you take a file or folder from this place to the another place, then you will see you will not get the file or folder on its original location. Just now I have moved my file from A to B, from source to destination. Now I am going to and I have done this by the method of dragging the folder or file with the help of mouse. You just choose your file and press your left mouse button. Don't release the finger and just drag wherever you want. This way you can move your file. Now I am going to teach you another method. Just select your folder and then right click the mouse button, say cut, and simply you go here wherever you want to paste, whichever position, location, just say paste. So you see my A source is empty now. There is no file here or folder here. Now we'll move and see what we mean by copying. Copying a file or folder means to create a duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. Means when you take any file and you don't want to shift from its original place, then what we do, we choose the copy option to make its duplicate. Just I am going to make a duplicate of this folder. Just click on it, right click the mouse button, say copy and paste it wherever whichever destination you want. So you can see on the source, on the original place, the file is visible, and at the destination place also file is visible. Here I am copying this file, making a duplicate. Just say copy and paste. So this way, children, I hope all of you understand what is moving and copying. Let's go back to the drive. Here again, you see, today's chapter we will learn how to copy and move the file from one drive to another. So here I am going to click on local disk C. Just now I want to copy this folder to the E drive. So what I'll do, just I first select the folder, click on it. You can see this blue line, it means it is selected. Go to the organize button, say copy, and then it will say where you want to copy. You want to copy in documents, pictures, wherever you want you can copy it. But because today we are going to learn how to shift our file in another location, so I will choose this choose location. Then it says, then I will select this new volume E and say copy. So automatically you see this file is copying here. Now I'll click on the new volume E and see whether my file has come or not. Yes, it is here. Crap. Okay, so this is called copying. This is called copying. Now I'll see the C. I'll click on the C folder also. You see this file is here also. And when I click on E, then you can see this file is here also in this destination also. So from source to destination we have made a duplicate copy. Now again I am going to back on the another local disk again. Now this time we will just shift our file, means we will move the file from one place to another. So what I'll do, I'll just click on the file, choose the file, say move. Again it is asking where you want to move. So I will choose the location and say new volume E, move. So it says continue. I'll say continue, and you see password is there, so it is moving from here. So now you just let us check whether it has reached or not. Yes, it is here. Audio is here. And now we'll check local disk. There is no audio file here. So I hope all of you understand moving and copying the file. Now children, just do a little exercise. Create one folder on your desktop. You can create it like this. New folder. Click on just right click the mouse on your plain desktop and save folder. Give some name to this folder. Just press the backspace and type some name, like I am typing class 6. Okay, when I click on this folder, you will see this file is empty. This folder is empty, this folder is empty. Now what you have to do, save 2 files in it. Save 2 files in it. So what you do now, I am going to show you. I am clicking the desktop, and when I click the desktop, it will show my folder also, because my folder is on my desktop. So it is class 6 is here and it is empty, as you have seen. Now I will shift 2 files in it. One I will do with the copy and one I will do with the option move. So what I do, I'll take a picture, I'll click on the picture and just I will copy this file. I will copy this file, go to the desktop and paste it here. Click on my class 6 and say paste. Now again I'll go to document and I'll take this file, any file I am just selecting, just I say cut and go to again desktop and class 6 and say paste. So now if I open my folder, see there are two files here, this file and this file. So one I have brought it with the help of copying and one I have brought it with the help of moving. So you also try and learn your lesson. Thank you, children.